In today's fast-paced world, we all value convenience, efficiency, and the luxury of saving time. With an endless array of chores demanding our attention, wouldn't it be nice to simplify at least one aspect of home care? Enter this iMartine 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming robot, a true game changer for anyone looking to streamline their cleaning routine. This state-of-the-art robotic vacuum isn't just another cleaning gadget, it's an intelligent, Wi-Fi-enabled device designed to tackle both vacuuming and mopping with precision and ease. In this review, we will dive deep into the features, performance, and overall experience of using the iMartine 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming robot, and by the end, you'll know why this may just be the perfect addition to your household. The standout feature of the iMartine robot vacuum is its 2-in-1 design, which combines both vacuuming and mopping functionalities into one sleek, intelligent device. This means less hassle for you and more efficiency. Its suction system swiftly picks up dust, hair, and small debris, while the mop feature takes care of spills and grime, leaving hard floors spotless. Tangle-free design is another remarkable aspect. With no rolling brush to get clogged up with pet hair or tangled in long hair, it is especially ideal for pet owners or those with long hair. It comes equipped with a 230 milliliter electronic water tank, which ensures a steady, controlled release of water. This makes it suitable for use on a variety of hard floors like wood, tile, and granite, offering versatility in cleaning. What makes the iMartine robot vacuum stand out from other robotic vacuums on the market is its Wi-Fi and app compatibility. With the Tuya Smart app, you can easily schedule cleaning sessions, control the device remotely, and change modes with just a few taps on your smartphone. Whether you're at work or relaxing at home, you can set the robot to clean whenever it's convenient for you. But that's not all. For tech-savvy users, the robot is compatible with Google Assistant, meaning you can control it via voice commands. Imagine simply saying, "Hey Google, start cleaning," and the robot springs to life. This level of integration adds a layer of luxury and ease to an already stellar product. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, the remote control included in the package offers an additional way to interact with your robot. This multi-platform control gives users the flexibility to choose the best method that fits their lifestyle. One of the challenges faced by many robotic vacuums is their ability to navigate tight spaces and tricky areas. The iMartine robot vacuum solves this problem with its 2.87-inch slim design. Whether it's under your couch, bed, or tight corners, this slim device maneuvers with ease. The robot is also equipped with advanced 3D obstacle avoidance technology and drop sensing technology, which allows it to dodge obstacles like furniture, walls, and toys while preventing falls downstairs. This intelligent navigation system ensures every inch of your floor is covered, providing a thorough clean with no dead ends. It can seamlessly move from hard floors to low-pile carpets, making it perfect for multi-surface homes. A common concern with robotic vacuums is battery life. Nobody wants their vacuum to stop mid-clean. Thankfully, the iMartine robot vacuum is powered by a high-capacity 2500 mAh battery, allowing it to clean continuously for up to 100 minutes on a full charge. This battery life is more than sufficient for most homes, covering around 1,290 square feet on a single run. Worried about it running out of juice? You don't have to. When the battery is low or the cleaning cycle is complete, the robot automatically returns to its charging dock, ensuring it's always ready for the next round. Not all cleaning tasks are the same, and the iMartine robot vacuum recognizes that. This robot features 4 different cleaning modes. Auto cleaning, the default mode where the robot optimizes its path. Spot cleaning, concentrates on a particular area for a more focused clean. Edge cleaning, targets walls and baseboards to make sure no dust escapes. Zigzag cleaning, for maximum floor coverage, this mode follows a structured pattern. Users can switch between modes via the app or remote control, allowing full customization based on your home's specific cleaning needs. Nobody wants a noisy vacuum disturbing their relaxation time. Luckily, the iMartine robot vacuum operates at below 65 dB, ensuring that your cleaning sessions won't interfere with conversations, TV shows, or relaxation. You can let the robot do its job while you focus on enjoying life's precious moments. Pet owners will appreciate the iMartine robot vacuum's ability to pick up pet hair without the hassle of tangled brushes. Its high-efficiency filter also traps dust and allergens, making it a great choice for households with allergy sufferers. With this robot, you can enjoy a cleaner, healthier home with minimal effort. Final verdict. Why choose iMartine 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum? The iMartine 2-in-1 Mopping and Vacuuming Robot is a comprehensive solution for modern cleaning. Its combination of powerful suction, efficient mopping, intelligent navigation, and smart controls make it a top-tier choice for anyone looking to automate their home cleaning routine. Whether you're a pet owner, a busy professional, or someone who simply wants more free time, this robot delivers on all fronts. This all-in-one cleaning powerhouse offers versatility, convenience, and power, making it a worthy investment for any household. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.